Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I will reintroduce myself as ma'am did. So, I am Rubina Ali Hans, and I have taught 8 years in an IB school. Then I finished my Masters of Education. So, then I moved on to a college. I was a professor for 8 years. And then I decided to study further. So, I went away to Germany to do a course in neuropsychology. So, currently, I'm just completing my course. I'm back in India. And we've started our own sessions, and I hope you enjoyed. So, self dialogue. What is a dialogue? One more thing I'd like to tell you about myself. Along with all these studies, I have also learned to teach translation of the Quran. So, I teach word to word translation of the Quran also. I've completed my Diniyat classes also. So, as ma'am said, कि दीन तो है, दुनिया तो है ही, दीन भी साथ में ही रहेगा, वो कहीं नहीं जाएगा, and we have to squeeze in time for that also. So, yes, we have to be balanced. Okay, so communication. As we know, you all must have doom scroll, you all must have seen everything. Communication is the key. चाहे वो कोई भी रिश्ता हो, right? Today, relations are stressed. There is an amount of stress that is set in husband, wife, parents, children, right? And where are we lacking? We are lacking in the communication. Communication is the bridge that builds everything. Do you agree? Do you agree? So earlier, back in the day, the parenting patterns were authoritative. Our parents told us things and we did it, right? We always obeyed to what they were saying, right? And there was an air of authority. Again, teachers was an air of authority. Are the students the same today? Do they respect us the way it was? I've seen, students change. So when I went to school, obviously it was a long time ago. And my teacher at that time was an old teacher. And grade 10 used to be the ground floor. Grade 9 was the first floor. And grade 8 was the second floor. And she used to tell us that terror increases as you go up the floors. And that's what it is, right? Because students have changed today, right? But if we add an element of friendship, if we add an element of softness, it changes everything. For a moment, just go back and think of the best teacher you had in school. Which was the teacher you loved the most? The most strict one? Or the most soft-spoken, kind teacher? Yes? But if that kind teacher was only a friend to you and did not teach you, would you have appraised her? No. So teacher always has to be a balance of both. Right? Now communication. So there are 3 levels of communication that we have in our life every day. So what is communication? Communication is words, and more words. Is that what we think it is?
No. It's all about understanding each other as the
Absolutely. So the first level of communication is with the world. रोज सुबह में हम उठ के न्यूज़पेपर खोलते हैं, हम पढ़ते हैं दुनिया में क्या हुआ. That is our communication with the world. Correct? The second level of communication is with others, which we think is it. Communication दूसरों से होता है. Correct? हमारा यही मानना है कि it's always communication with the other. But there is the most important communication that we do with ourself. And today research has backed the idea that if you change the way you communicate with yourself, you can change the world. We'll see. So, okay. So there is something called as NLP. I have also done a diploma in neuro-linguistic programming. All right. And neuro-linguistic programming, the first thing that they teach us is problem thinking and solution thinking. Earlier, what it was negative thinking, positive thinking, right? Now they have simplified it a little more and they say problem thinking, solution thinking. If I remove the negatives from my conversation, I will move to a more solution-oriented goal. Okay? For example, every day I tell myself, आज तो अलार्म ही नहीं बजा, कल रात को नींद ही नहीं लगी, मच्छर काटा, ये खा के gas हो गया. We have thousands of excuses we give every day. We fail to sleep on our deadline. And what happens? We fail to wake up on our deadline. And then we are dora dora bhaga bhaga sa. Correct? So, I don't want to be late is my statement in my head every day. I can change it to a more simple, positive quote. I want to be on time. This is called as problem thinking. So this is the problem thinking. I have created a problem in my mind and now it's going to hammer at my head. On the contrary, I can make it simple and I can say, I want to be on time. All right? The human mind is conditioned to operate on fear. We always remember the negatives that happened, never the positives that we went through the day. There are moments of aha in our lives. Some student that you have trained has come up with a good answer. It's a victory for a teacher, right? It's an aha moment. कल तक बच्चा चिप्स खोल के खा रहा था, आज आपने उसको ट्रेन कर दिया, ककड़ी खाओ, गाजर खाओ, eat good food, right? That's an aha moment for us. So, those moments we don't celebrate. Do you remember those things? Do you write it down in your diary? No. Why? We never pat ourselves on our backs when we have done something good. But if we get to hear something from another teacher, from the principal, देखो इतना मेहनत करके भी ये सुनने मिल रहा है, right? We always remember the negatives. We always operate on fear because the brain is designed like that. Okay? So with practice, we are going to change to the what thinking? Solution thinking. Okay? A classic example that we have in exams. Okay? Students are anxious. They are very nervous on the day of the exam. What happens is, if we go and say, Arey, maths ka paper, don't forget your formulas, huh? Don't forget this. What if you told the student to think of forget? Forget. He is going to take that fear. Forget. What if I forget? What if I forget? But instead, if we say, I've seen the paper is so easy. You have learned everything. We've covered everything in class. And then you see their performance. I have experienced this. Because when I was a B.Ed professor, we always have the papers that come from outside. Because we don't set the papers. We don't know what is in the paper. So that's how I always worked with the psychology of the students. And I knew that some of them used to keep studying but keep forgetting. And I would always tell them the paper is super easy. Everything we've done in class, you have learnt it in class, I know. And now you sit and write the paper. And they would come out and they would tell me that yes, we could remember everything because we went back to the class where we learnt it. So teach your students the positive aspects. Always imbibe the positivity that they are able to do it. The achievable factor, I can do it. I can do it. That's the important part. And we as teachers always remember, students notice everything about you. I used to teach a minority college, only girls. They would notice my sandals, my lipstick, kya dupatta, aaj galat shade pehen ke aaye, aaj kaun sa, everything. And that's how they are, because they're looking at you. So they will notice that, right? So they are listening to you and your words are important. Your words have a lot of weightage. Never tell a child tum buddhu ho. Never tell a child you're dumb. Kyun yaad nahi karte ho? It's not his fault. It's what he is getting from his environment. We are keeping him here and we are shaping him. Okay? There's one story I'd like to share. There was a very famous sculptor called Michelangelo. You'll have heard of Michelangelo? He was asked one day that, how is it that you make such beautiful sculptures from stone? He used to make sculptures from stone, right? Marble का एक raw टुकड़ा उसको मिलता था, जिसके अंदर से वो sculpture बनाता था. So he said, how do you do it? He said, the sculpture already existed in the rock. I only took away the extra pieces. So the child that you have in your class is a classic unique child. You have to take away their fears and change it with positivity, change it with confidence. And trust me, teachers, you have the ability to do it. Your words are very powerful for them. Another important aspect today is because parents are unavailable for whatever reasons, they're working, they're on their phones. You have to play a double role today. You know, Amitabh Bachchan and Amitabh Bachchan, that movie was there, दो अमिताभ बच्चन, दोनों बनने पड़ेंगे. Because आज parents या तो झगड़ा करने आ जाते हैं या तो गुल हो जाते हैं. There is no third role that they are playing. So you have to take up the double responsibility. Okay, so now I'm also human. इतना सब कुछ मैं करूं तो मैं कहाँ जाऊं? What about my life? Okay, so how are we going to manage that? Now, your brain is like a busy airport, right? And 60,000 thoughts every day come and go. Kitna? 60,000 thoughts. Do we even have the time to count 60,000? But no, these are scientific measurements that the scientists have taken and they have proved it. That makes it about 40 thoughts per minute. Right? 40 thoughts per minute. And you know the wild part? 80% of it is a rerun from yesterday. Right? Correct? कल भी वही था, आज भी ऑब्वियसली रीरन होगा. घर भी मेरा वही, घर वाले भी वही, स्कूल भी वही, टीचर भी वही, प्रिंसिपल भी वही, बच्चे भी वही. How am I going to think separately? Correct? Yes? So, we operate on behavioral patterns called habits. रोज सुबह में आँख खुलती है, चाय चढ़ाओ, उसके बाद में नाश्ता बनाओ. These are habits and we do it automatically. जब हम घर से चल पड़ते हैं तो हम एक रास्ता लेके आते हैं. आज भी ये कचरा, कुत्ता यहाँ बैठा है, ये बिल्ली कल भी यहीं गंदगी की थी. Because we have a language that we think in, right? Did you realize you think in a language? And if we change that language, we can change our day. We can change ourselves. This language that we talk to ourselves, this communication that we have with ourselves is the most important. It is the base that we are. Some people you see always smiling. Some people you see always complaining. Some people you see always in a bad mood. Some people, आज ये दुखता है, आज ये दुखता है, आज ये दुखता है, वो दुखता है. Have you identified the teachers? Yes? Why? Why is it that a person is like that the same way? Tell me. Because our brain is in a pattern. It's a loop. वही चले जा रहा है. Correct? हम भी एक रोबो के जैसे जी रहे हैं, है ना? आज वीडियोस देख के देखना पड़ता है फेक है कि रियल है. And can you tell the difference? No. Are we really living our lives? Yeah. Have we ever taken the time out to go 2 minutes get wet in the rain? Feel that aha moment, मजा आया, नहा ली बारिश में, चलो थोड़ा. Something that makes me happy, something that makes me changed from what I am. Okay? Now the conversation that we have with ourselves every day. मैं कितनी बेवकूफ हूँ, वही करती हूँ, एक बार भी सुना तो भी याद नहीं रहा, मैं सब भूल जाती हूँ. Do we keep saying that? How could I forget again? How is it that I'm doing this? Why am I not able to change? Do you wake up every day to say कि आज मैं मेरी काम वाली से लड़ाई करूंगी, आज बच्चे को वो कूटूंगी कि बस खत्म? Do you wake up every morning saying that? Then why do you do that? Why do you do that? Because we don't know our triggers. We still get irritated with the same thing. We still keep doing the same thing, right? If I change, I can change the world. A great sage has once said, if you know yourself, you know the world. right? So in our life, we have a current state, what is today, and there's an ideal or a desired state. This is who I want to be. काश मैं इतनी calculative होती. I wish I was smarter with my money. I wish I was this. I wish I was healthier. I wish I was taller. I wish I was fairer. Yes, the model that you see on screen, the ad में जो अच्छी दिख रही है, क्या अच्छी दिखती है, पतली है, देखो मेरा पेट देखो जा ही नहीं रहा. Correct? We keep on and on and on. We are only ranting about who we are not rather than who we are. I am unique. I have my capabilities. I have my abilities. I have things that only I can do. Right? So we have 5 different states. So there's a financial state, which is the most important. As teachers, I know I worked as a teacher. We don't make money. We don't make good money. For the magajmari that we do, we get 1/4. Right? But there is something you can do about your financial state. You can be a little smarter, start planning, start investing. Today, everything is at the tip of your hands. Start investing. Should penny stocks kharido, shares kharido. Of course, it has to be Sharia compliant. But you can do something about it, but you never thought about it. We only keep grumbling. If we start planning, if we start telling ourselves, things can change, right? The second we keep grumbling about is the relationships. मिस तुमको क्या मालूम मेरी सास ही ऐसी है और थोड़ी बदलने वाली है. Right? Right? Have I seen what I do with my mother-in-law? Have I seen? Have I tried being a little nicer to her? हुआ है कभी ऐसा? सोचा ही नहीं कभी वो सब. अब कहाँ चेंज करो, कितना काम है स्कूल के अंदर, है ना? हो सकता है क्या आपको बोलना आसान है? Right? Now, the third is health. We keep neglecting our health. सारे मेहमानों को, घर वालों को, बच्चों को बोटियां डाल देते हैं. खुद क्या खाते हैं? शेरवा. वो एक टांग उठा लो और खुद खा लो. Because your health is very important. Okay? Your health. छुपा के अंदर ही किचन में रख लेना निकाल के. She's saying मेरी सास देखेगी मैं वो टांग खाऊंगी. देखे तो. Those who have the eyes of सास, it's fine. It's fine. छुपा के खा लो, दिखा के खा लो, be bold. You know, that reminds me, आप ट्रक के पीछे देखोगे बुरी नजर वाले तेरा मुंह काला. Right? फेरारी के पीछे कभी देखा है? मर्सिडीज के पीछे लगा होता है. जो कॉन्फिडेंस से जीता है वो जीता है. करेक्ट? सास देख रही, देख ले तो दिखा के खाओ. Cheers. Start it. What I'm trying to say is take care of your health. Your health is most important. If you neglect your health today, your family suffers. You're not alone. You are the pivot for your family. Your family is going to be dreaded if you fall sick. एक दिन आपको बुखार आके आप पड़ जाओ और फिर देखो क्या होता है. कयामत ही आ गई समझो घर में. होता है ना? यह चाहती है वो. Then there is business and career. Okay? We can start something. We can have a career. You have a career, right? You can have something else too. Again, planning will make a difference. And I recommend a book called Atomic Habits. Everything is available today online. You can download the PDF and read. Read one page every day. It's a beautiful book. Beautiful. It trains to change your 5 minutes. Just change one small habit 5 minutes a day. And at the end of the year, you have changed so much. Right? Then the last is inner life. I have no inner life, dude. My outer life is so busy. There is no inner life, right? But 5 minutes for yourself. Calm down. Sit in a relaxed place. Just calm down. Shut out everything. The perfect place is sujood. Sajda. Scientifically, it is proven that your earthing, हर एक electricity को एक earthing लगती है. हमारी earthing हमारी ज़मीन है. सजदे में जाओगे सास को भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा कि सजदा ही कर ही ना जान दो, पढ़ रही है ना पढ़ने दो. But that's just amazing. And I have tried it. Everything that I'm telling you, I have shared it. I have experienced it. Do a longer sujood. Take 2 minutes extra. It really benefits. Be mindful. Be in that current moment. Do not go anywhere. School में नहीं भाग जाना mentally, घर पे नहीं भागना, बच्चों में नहीं. Just be there. All right? I would want you all to rate yourself. You know, it's an exercise that we need to do that you can probably do it later. Just write it down. What all you need to. How much marks are you giving yourself right now? How much marks are you giving yourself financially? Miss is taking a picture. She can share it in the group. Miss, just take a picture, no? Okay. So I'll explain this with a story. There is a man who was imprisoned for a commitment for a crime that he didn't do. And he would keep telling the jailer, "Ki, I've not done this. This is not who I am. I've not done it. Let me go, let me go, let me go." So the jailer says that, okay, so how jails have a section of cattle, they have the livestock. So he goes and he shows a big cow. He says, "Ki, the day you can lift this cow, I will set you free." And that cow is heavy. The cow is about 300 kgs. You can't lift that cow. So that man is like, what kind of this thing is this? Then he has an idea. He realizes that that cow has given birth to a small calf. A small calf. He goes and he lifts the calf. The calf is about 20-25 kgs. And he goes and he keeps lifting the calf every day. The calf is growing and so are his muscles. He goes on lifting the calf every day. Okay, the calf is becoming bigger and bigger. And there finally comes a day where he can lift the entire calf who has now grown into a cow. And he sets free. Okay? So no habit mentally also, no mental patterns can also change overnight. Nothing changes overnight. You have raised yourself like this for the past 30 years, 25 years, 40 years. Your patterns are not going to change overnight. Keep to one habit that you want to change. If you are into the habit of not planning, as ma'am said, if you've not planned, if you're a procrastinator, change one habit. 5 minutes per day. Work on that habit. Plan it. Write it. Writing is the best therapy. It's the best therapy. Write your goals. Write your plan. That in this month, for example, December is a sports month, where students are out for practice. That is the month you can use to finish your year planning. Finish everything that you have backlog. So now, as ma'am said, prioritize. And then when you have more time on hands, you can finish your backlogs. Thank you so much. I hope you all enjoyed it. Yes, and I hope you take back something from this workshop. We have a feedback form for you. Please visit our website. We do individual counseling also and we do it online.